Afternoon, everyone. This is James coming to you from Dividend Investing. We're going to quickly go over our new software. Now, before we go over the new software, I'm going to show you where we actually get all of the dividend dates from all the stocks that we're looking at. Now, we look at stocks 10 days in advance. So I'm going to quickly bring up the calendar so you can see where we are today. Now, today is the 31st of July, which means no trading today, so the first trading opportunity we have will be tomorrow, which will be the 1st of August. 10 trading days from the 1st of August would be August 15th. So we're going to look at all the stocks that are trading during the week that are going to be paying dividends on the week of the 15th, which is the third week of August. Okay, so let's quickly go over there. We can find our dividend stocks here at nasdaq.com, and it gives you all the list of who is paying and when. We just insert all these stock symbols into our software. Now we have two pieces of software. Now both software do specific things that we're looking for. So I'm going to show you both of them. Alright, so we can get our list here from NASDAQ, and we also get it from thinkorswim. So I'm going to pull up thinkorswim, and here you see under the market watch, we click on the market watch, and that brings up a whole bunch of stuff, and we want just the dividends. We don't want earnings, conference calls, splits, econo day events, anything like that, just the dividends. Now we can look at the month, which is what we're looking at here. We can look at the week. This is what they're offering the first week, and we can look by the day. So it's August 3rd, it's 56. See, August 3rd, 56 companies. Or just go smack dab to the list. Now this lists off all the companies that they have, and that is a whole bunch of companies offering dividends in the next few weeks. Alright, so we want basically the third week of August, which would be the 15th, right there. There we go. So Monday the 15th, that's funny because we have 15 stocks. On the 16th we got 14, then 27, then 11, then 17. Interesting thing you might want to know, that thinkorswim has a list of stocks. So let's look at this right here. Alright, now here's the list alphabetically. Now I'm going to go over to nasdaq.com and show you their list. The funny thing is, you can go anywhere and they all have different stocks, which is strange. Now, NASDAQ, you would think, would have all of them listed, but they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's only 9 of them listing on NASDAQ. However, there's 15 listed on thinkorswim. Either way, I go to 3 different places to get all the lists. I import it into here, which is my dividend stock calculator. It tells me the dividend capturing strategy. It's where you buy the stock, collect the dividend, jump out, buy another one, keep going over and over again. The numbers here represent how often that stock did what we wanted it to do. Basically, we wanted it to stick at the same value or a little bit higher when it's time to sell it, which is right after not the EX date, the date of record. Now the EX date is what it is, and then 2 or 3 days after the EX date comes the date of record. So after the date of record, we sell for a little bit of a profit, then we move on to the next stock. Gives you a great opportunity for making double-digit returns. Okay, so that's this one. DC is the dividend capturing. Double D, which is double the dividend. So if the dividend is only $1 here on AMGN, how many times over the last 10 years would it hit double the dividend? Apparently only 75%. That may be good enough for you, but for me, I'm going to pass on that one. Now, the dividends on steroids, that is how often does a stock go up in value 10 days prior to the date. So you buy 10 days prior to the EX date, hold on to it when the stock hits a 2.5% increased value, and then you get out. How many times it did that? AMGN, 55% of the time. Do I want to do that one? No, I don't. Thank you very much. Okay, so you double click on that and it brings you up to a higher one. HIC, the dividend is 30 cents. How often does it go up? 2.5% for the DOS strategy, 86% of the time. Love that number. Double dividends, 82% of the time, like that. Dividend capture, 90% of the time. Those are nice numbers, in the high 80s. That's great. MPC, same thing. Look at that. 85%, 85%, 89%. Like that one. Ooh, BC, I like this one even better. 83, 94, 94. And they all have options. That's great. Okay, so anyway, that gives you an idea what that software does. So let's get out of there and go to the other software, which is right down over here. Okay. Now we imported all those numbers, all those stock symbols into here. We hit the go button right here, and this is what we come up with. Now I'm going to quickly go over this and show you how I use this one. Now AMGM may be a great stock, but however, look, 2010, 2009, 2008, 2007, they didn't offer any dividends, those. So I don't like those, so I'm going to get out of there. PSX, same thing. Now look at this one, Sherwin-Williams. 1 day. It hits the target within 1 day. Okay? Those numbers are great. Okay. However, what I don't like is almost a $300 stock. Do I really want to buy a $300 stock? No. What is my yield? 1.1%. Don't like it. Next. Okay, FWRD. Look at this. 81 days, 73 days. Average 18 days. No, thank you. Next. MCO. Okay, everything looks great. Look at that. 1 day, you're in and out. It's a $100 stock. Dividends 30 cents. 1.3% yield. Do I really like that? No. Okay, the next one's an extreme disappointer. Visa. It's a worldwide name. Everybody knows Visa. Look, the stock is 79 bucks. It was a high target of 91 bucks in it within the next year. But look at the yield. 0.7. Come on. The bank down the street's offering a better yield. No thanks, Visa. Don't leave home without it. Yeah, whatever. Okay, Lynn, look at these numbers. All ones. Awesome. Hit your target in the first day. 28 cents. Look at that. 1.6% return. It's, it's not bad, but this is the clincher right here. 124,000 shares trading volume on average 30 days. No thanks. Don't want to be the only one on the dance floor with that one. So we're out of there. So I'm just going to go through these really quick. Not enough volume, yield too low, not enough dividends, yield too low, yield too low. This one we're going to hold on to the UTX because everything, all the numbers look good. All right, SSBI, volume too low, missing data, missing data, missing data. Got a 0 in it. Look at that, 64, 30, 28. No thanks. Double digits here. No thank you. Get out of there. This one. Oh, Microsoft. Look at the average of 2 days to get 100% of the yield. 36 cents, 2%. Nice volume. We're going to keep on to that one. All right, WBA. Below 2%. No, thank you. We're going to 100. It's over 100 bucks. I don't like that. Oh, this one's over 100 bucks too. Let's get rid of that one. ODC. 10,000 shares. Not enough volume. Missing. Okay, hold on to that one. Ooh, Dunkin' Donuts. Missing data, we don't like that. What's this one? Not enough volume. Okay, BG looks good. We'll hold on to that one. R, 60 days, 10 days, close to 10, 750,000 volume right there. Let's get rid of that one. Don't like that one. Missing volume. Ones all right. Ooh, that's a good one too. Target. Okay, we'll hold on to Target. Okay. Get rid of these. Not enough volume, missing data. Not enough volume, missing data. SPG. $200 stock. No, thank you. Missing. Okay, MXIM. Would hold on to that one. Hold on to that one. Not enough volume. Missing data. Oh, look at this. 36, 58. Zeros. No, thank you. That's ASX. Don't like that one. Missing. All right. Missing data. Okay, so out of all those stocks, we have about a half a dozen. Next step we want to look at the charts. Find out what they've been doing for the last 10 years. Because remember, you're stuck with this company, it's going to give you a 2% yield. So what have they done in the last 10 years? So let's take a quick look. This is ED. We'll go into Yahoo Finance, and it's going to show us on the 10-year chart. I love it. Look at this. This is great. Way down here, is it like 40-something bucks? and it goes up to 80. That's nice. I like that chart. That looks good. So we're going to hold on to ED. ED's good. All right, let's get out of there. Come on. All right, come back up. There we go. So we're going to keep ED. MXIM, we're going to check the chart on that one. And you can do this relatively yourself. I'm not going to go through all of them, just to give you an idea of what it is I'm going to go look through. Because I want to make sure, if I'm holding this thing for 10 years, I want to get my 2% every year. And I want to at least have some kind of increase in price. And this one I'm not too happy with. Look at 10 years ago, we're down here, what, 38 bucks? No, we had 29 bucks. All right, so 29 bucks 10 years ago, now we're up to 40. That's not a huge, but you know, had nice growth from here. Okay, but you know, 10 years ago it was okay. It was a choice. I would go ED first. All right, so that gives you an idea. Let's look at Johnson & Johnson. This company's been around for over 100 years. They're one of the dividend kings. This is like almost a no-brainer, so I don't even know why I'm going to bother doing this. I'm just going through the motions to show how I do it. So 10 years, awesome. Look at this. Way down here, $64 10 years ago. Now we're up to 125 bucks. This is, like I said, Johnson & Johnson, 100-year company, household name, no-brainers. Look at that one. So anyway, that just gives you a rough idea how quickly we can use the software. You guys do what you want to do. And back to where I am. I forget where I am. Anyway, so that's how we use the software. And that gives you the numbers. And everything's right here for you if you need them. Just, put the stock symbols in, hit go. If it doesn't have enough volume, if it doesn't have a good yield, if it's missing data, get rid of them. There's so many other ones. All week long, this week we have over 60 stocks. How many? Let's get quick. We have 50 companies offering dividends this week. So take it with a grain of salt, do your research, make the right choices. This is James signing out from the Dividend Investing. You guys have a good day.